Hello fellas, today we are going to react to Smoking Up and Suicide. It's by Vaibhav Sethia and it came out in March 27, 2017. 88,000 upvotes, pretty great. So we are going to react to it. Before ending the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, the bell icon to never see any updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest yourself to give me any feedback or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys too. We have a light issue right now, so it might get dim, it might get dark, so please do bear it. So we're going to react to this particular thing. Without further ado, let's start.
You smoke? You don't smoke. You don't smoke. घर पे पता है you don't smoke? है? You smoke right? हाँ तू तो करता है right? तेरे घर पे पता है you smoke? अच्छा ओ तेरे को पता ये जो पता जिनके घर पे पता होता है ना उनकी एक रेडियस होती है जो धीरे धीरे कम होती रहती है खरीदने की पहले 5 गली दूर वाली दुकान से
नाइस
फिर 2 गली दूर वाली दुकान फिर बेशर्म में तो नीचे से ही खरीद रहे हैं एग्जॉस्ट पे सुट्टा लगा के खिड़की के पास तौली से भगा रहे हैं बदबू मम्मी को बदबू ना आ जाए कहीं Every smoker is always on the verge of quitting. अबे नहीं यार गंदी आदत है छोड़ना है यार पागल अबे गंदी आदत है छोड़ना है यार बस छोड़ ही रहा हूँ यार छोड़ ही रहा हूँ Which is not the case with weed smokers. Dude, this is medicinal.
Oh my god.
It's fucking good for my health. देखो पता है इससे कैंसर क्योर होता है इसमें न्यूट्रिशन माँ की दूध के बाद ना इनको वीड ही मिला था और एक चीज देखा है ऑल वीड स्मोकर्स टेंड टू नो अ लॉट अबाउट वीड कुछ ज्यादा ही रिसर्च नहीं कर रखी होती इन्होंने अब बनाते टाइम पे तो फुल मास्टर शेफ हो जाता तूने इसका टेक्सचर देखा इसका मॉइस्चर देखा इसमें ना सीड्स ही नहीं चीज में ड्राई नहीं ऐसा नहीं लंबा इतना क्यों पता लगाना है तुम्हें वीड के बारे में एंड देन लाइक बिकॉज़ दिस इज गुड फॉर माय हेल्थ तो जब पता लगा ना व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ पैरासिटामोल उसमें अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है कि नहीं है None of the anti-smoking campaigns have done really well. This one NGO came up with a great idea. You know the electronic boxes where you press the button and the coil burns and you can light up your cigarette. They installed it outside every pan wala. My friend chain smoker गया मगजमारी करके एक सुट्टा खरीदा, put it between his lips, it's wiggling. फेफड़े तो मर गए हैं. Finally ऐसे किसी तरह wiggling वाली सिगरेट को किसी तरह उसने एम करके लगाया. जैसे ही उसने बटन प्रेस किया, the box is like आप मरने वाले हैं. फेफड़ों में कैंसर जा रहा है यही छोड़ दूं क्या यार
नाइस
इट इज सच अ क्रूशियल मोमेंट I told him, dude, why do you smoke so much? देखो पता है every cigarette you smoke 10,000 gray cells die 10,000 gray cells it's like so but यार अपने पास तो millions and billions है we can afford it
oh god
So I gifted him an ashtray, which was in the shape of lungs. It's almost like okay. So cigarette smoking reminds me like how come all the people I know who slit their wrists, no one died. मतलब कुछ को तो मरना चाहिए था ना ये तो स्टैंडर्ड तरीका दिखाते हैं मूवीज में
ओके
मैं 4 जन को जानता हूँ एक ने 2 बार ट्राई किया यार ये बहुत ही फुद्दू तरीका लोग मर ही नहीं रहे इससे डोंट डू द अदर स्टैंडर्ड वे दे शो इज कि तुम एक हाइट से कूद जाओ राइट नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज तुम कूद गए अब नहीं मरे तो तुम बहुत डिपेंडेंट हो जाओगे लाइफ में यार तुम हगने जाना बाथरूम बुलाना पड़ता है लोगों को यार बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी बिकॉज़ तू डिपेंडेंट इन लाइफ
दैट्स ग्रोस
और अब तो तुम वापस कूद भी नहीं पाओगे वो पुराना कॉज गया मतलब वो now you have to fucking stay with it and I really think like suppose this is the point that I'm going to jump off from right it's a bridge and I'm going to jump off from here I really need my solitude like I cannot have life around me when I'm about to end my own
right
like it can't be कि मैं यहाँ से कूदने वाला हूँ मेरे से 2 फीट दूर एक आदमी खड़ा है ऑटो वाला यार भैया 100 के छुट्टे दो ना यार, बिल्डिंग से कूद रहे, कोई कपड़े सुखा रहे, तुम्हें छींटे गिर रहे हैं, really ruins the moment. And I like this solitude, you know, like मैं अक्सर ऐसा मतलब आलसी की तरफ बिल्कुल पसर जाता हूँ दोपहर में, ओहो, ignoring all my responsibility, उफ, मजा ही आ जाता है. And my house is not road facing, तो बिल्कुल शांत रहता है. And the thing with solitude and peace, anywhere on earth, स्पीलबर्ग की मूवी में दिखाएंगे ना, always, हर पीसफुल जगह लोकेशन अर्थ पे birds are always talking. हर जगह बर्ड्स बोल ही रहे होते हैं यार. इतनी बातें हैं क्या तुम्हारे पास करने को? What is so much evolved in your world that you need to discuss every time? स्पीलबर्ग की मूवी में मेडिटेशन कर रहा हो हिमालय में, वहां पे हर जगह जब भी बिल्कुल शांत बैठा कर क्या है ये सब? पूरे दिन क्या बात करनी है यार? इतने सिंपल बीइंग्स है, तुम्हारा 3 काम है, खाना, हगना, सेक्स करना, 3 काम. क्या बात हो रही है? तो तुमने खाना खा लिया क्या? हाँ खा लिया. का इतना क्यों बोल रहे हो तुम? क्या सिलेबस फिगर आउट ही नहीं किए? और अपने रोड पे चलाते हैं, अपने को मूवमेंट में रोड पे चलाना है तो 2D है, चल अपने हॉर्न मार, तुम 3D में उड़ सकते हो. अबे हटना, क्यों कर रहे हो? ऊपर से चले जाओ, क्या है? अकेला बैठा कबूतर, किससे बातें कर रहा है? स्टेटस अपडेट डाल रहे हैं वहां पे.
Oh my god, amazing man, amazing. This was great man. Wow. As I told you, it's going to be dark, right? So I hope you able to look at me. Yeah, so I love this one. Amazing. He made this out pretty great. Like the way he just did the smoking and the suicide, absolutely amazing. Once in between, if I'm not mistaken, he actually forgot, and that's the reason he jumped it to the suicide thing afterwards. He was not able to recollect what he actually had by heart. I was able to make out that thing, but rest of the things amazingly fantastic. The way he pointed out how the smoking people does all the bullshit things, and still they continue to do that. I don't know why. What's the point of doing that? What's the thing which you love that much? You are just trying to end your life. Why are you doing that? And suicide, yes, once you're not able to die, you become dependent. It's absolutely on point, because at some point of time, if you you try to fail and you're not able to do that, you won't be able to even jump again, because some of the other things have been lost. Your limbs are not working, or many things have will not be working in your body, and you won't be able to do whatever you were able to do at that point of time. So it's pretty amazing how he put this out through. And the birds thing, on point, absolutely superb. This was something which we see it, but we don't think that much. And every quiet place you hear birds chirping, but you like it, you feel that peacefulness. But the way he put this out, it was to another level. Totally, he changed the way I see things. And about the birds thing, it was amazingly fantastic. So this was the reaction. I hope you liked. The same point of time, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, the bell icon, so you never see updates from me. Also, I would like to request you to please give a big thumbs up this particular video, so that I know that you like my reaction. I would be inspired, motivated to do more reaction videos for you guys. We have a backup account, K4 Kavit. All these videos will be copied over there, so that if this particular channel gets closed because of the copyright strike you already have, we have a backup account for that. So please do subscribe to that channel to also give suggestions on that particular channel. You will be able to connect with me directly over there too. And we have an Instagram and Twitter account and Facebook account. If you want to connect with me, suggest me something, give me any feedback, or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys too. So the next reaction, next to the next review, I would request you to stay connected.